Halo kadek-kadekku, menjuah-juah horas. Aku dengarkan Zain nanti tigan gunari pada iting. Topik tak gunari. Kita lihat kedatangan dua tamu arah India. Jadi si Tang ia untuk membaca kadih bahasa Karo bahasa Indonesia. Pas entah lang bandang ucap kenca. Mungkin si Tang ya lebih. Maka sebelum tonton dulu udah lupa like, comment, share, subscribe dulu ya. Engkau penasaran kamu kami? Check it out. Okay, sir. What is it? Okay, say hi with your language.
Hi, namaste, sasikal, adab. We are from India. My name is Amit.
And my name is Amit.
Yeah, and we are from India, Punjab, Hindustan.
Okay, today you have to say my language word, okay?
Okay.
So, I will give you paper and then you have to read.
Okay.
First is, you have to get the reading, okay?
Jua.
Mijua.
Good!
Yeah. Horas.
Oh, that's cool! You good pronunciation, you know? What's that?
Apa kabar?
Oh! I mean,
Apa kabar?
oh, that's cool, you know. Oh. And now in my country we have 5 name of women's Indian, not women's Indian. Like in our village, that's called kalak, Karo.
Kalak.
So they have 5 like women, you know, like they have 5 titles. So you have to read. Okay. One is
Nande eating.
then the eating is
Jagir.
it's mean then the eating is like funny.
Okay.
And then the second is
Nande bidding. Merambit.
it mean
Okay, got it. Nande Karo. Dengal.
your pronunciation is really good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's good.
Dengal. We are Guru. Nande Nangin. Perkilis. We are good, Mary?
Yes, very good. Last one, this is me.
Nande Tigan. Per ate. Buju. Terima kasih. Ula lupa like and do subscribe and do ju impal buju.
Okay, close the channel. Close the YouTube. Can you? You will say something?
Okay. It's good to learn Indonesian language.
That's good.
Thanks.
Especially, thank you for Karo, okay? What your suggestion for Karo? What your you want to give something?
Yeah, it's good. It's good to learn new language.
Is this easy or not?
Kind of easy.
It's kind of easy, little bit difficult, but it's good.
Yeah,
we can learn that if we want to. Then it's good.
And also, I think this is almost similar like Indian language, right, guys?
Yeah.
We have to say bye. Bye, Karo. Bye.
Bye. Thanks. Buju, and please subscribe to Mary's channel. We are very thankful to you. Bye bye. Namaste. Sasikal. Adab from India, Hindustan. Bye bye.